up, guys? Evan Aldo here. Big moves with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some altcoins. Let's get right into it. If you look at, let's start with Bitcoin. Looking at the chart on the larger time frames right here, the 4 hour VWAP curving down. I expanded into my long position last night around 8 p.m. or something like that. Took a little bit of profits when we hit this spider line, took some more profits when I woke up this morning when we were very close to this spider line, and just letting the rest of that trade ride. Now, question everyone has is, are we going to go up to this spider line before cooling off? Pretty unlikely. Pretty likely we'll cool off before then. Most likely, maybe one more last FOMO candle up to maybe, above 47, and then maybe cool down for a bit. I don't. It's hard to say for there because we're looking like we're pretty bullish there. Money coming in with the green and nice little trigger wave there. Not out of the question. I mean, different case, something like this, or maybe just maybe something like that. Hard to say right now, but definitely if you're not in a position, I would not be looking to go long when you're hitting this big piece of support right here on the spider line. Let's look at the lower time frames a little bit. This is still Bitcoin, just using this because it lags in lower time frames with the spider lines. Um, 15 minutes still relatively healthy. Once you go up that high, I don't know, likelihood you would cool down a little bit, maybe something like that. Half hour, kind of the same deal. Seems like we have a little bit of room to come up, a little bit more room to come up before we see a pullback. So that's pretty much Bitcoin. Look at this a little bit logically back to the 4 hour. Actually, I want to show you the daily. Um, Sometimes these things take some time to play out. Sometimes these things take a day or two before you get the pullback. As we look here, we look on the VWAP on the daily. Seems like it could be curving around. So the bullish case, we would get something like this. We'd cool off maybe a little bit more, get something like that maybe. Um, See, that would be nice. Altcoins are the same as what I told you before, performing exceptionally well. Let's go to Ethereum, pretty much the same as Bitcoin, still looking healthy on the 4 hour. VWAP curving down. Be careful right now if you're in a long position. Take some profits. Always take profits. And Matic, yeah, nice. It's always this whole exhaustion, always from back there. Not really relevant though to what we're talking about right now, but still looking healthy on the 4 hour, just coming up like that. Hard to say how long this could go on for some more time. Um, yeah, basically that's Matic. Dot is looking basically the same, very healthy, right there, just coming up on the daily and 4 hour as well. They all look. All these altcoins basically look the same, pretty healthy. I wouldn't say it's time to really take profits yet, but I'm really going to be. Let's see if we draw this on a link. I like link a lot. Let's see how far this will probably end up. Yeah, could peak out in about a month maybe. That would be doable. I wouldn't be looking to sell these now, but watch it. You got to watch these every day. Always keep up with what's going on. And oh my God, Cardano, that is a racehorse. That is a strong. I put some in at $1.80 the other day. That's like a nice VWAP going down though on the dailies. So wouldn't be yeah, right there. Would not be surprised at all if we see something like this and then come more. So yeah. Um, that's it for altcoins. Not too much, this weekend. Right now, if you're not in a trade, what I'm looking for is I'm looking to short. I'm going to wait a little bit longer, and I may put in a short if we get one more, nice wick up here, nice FOMO wick up above 47, and that could happen. Let's see when this VWAP will probably curve down. It could happen by midnight, maybe before, 8 p.m. to midnight, maybe a good time in a few hours would be for a short position. Obviously, the quicker, the more impatient you are with it, the more risk you're taking, but also the more reward you could get. Yeah, that's about all the analysis I have for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please please subscribe, and please check out my links below if this seems really complicated for you. Check out Jason Casper's trading course below. It's a trading course I used to learn how to trade. It was really helpful for me. And if you don't have Market Cipher, check out the link below for that. And there's a few other affiliate links if you're not in FEMEX or BITGET. All the things I link below are things I use, so it helps out the channel a lot if you check those out. All right, guys, have a good one. Goodbye.